Hi, my name is Jeff Richmond. I'm an instructor here at MI, and what we're going to work on today is 8 bars only of a standard jazz progression. Let me show you these 8 bars. It includes 7 chords: F minor, B flat minor, E flat 7, A flat major 7, D flat major 7, G 7, and finally C. That C is 2 bars long. So let me just play it for you in time. Okay, so the first thing to do is to create a melody. Now I'm going to create a melody using the third of each chord. Let me show you what I mean. The third of F minor, third of B flat, third of E flat, third of A flat, third of D flat, third of G, and the third of C. Now right there I just played the root and the third only. But in terms of improvising, it's always good to learn a melody first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my backing track and play this melody, just, single note. I'm going to do it down an octave. And I'm also going to experiment a little bit. I'm going to play it on one string at a time. And then lastly, I'm going to embellish it a little bit, play a few notes in and around it. So here goes. As you can see, just playing this melody, there's so much room for creativity and experimentation and getting to know the guitar, the neck, the fretboards, the notes, everything better. So the next thing to do that I like is to learn what the key centers are. So in this chord progression, there are 2 key centers, A flat major and C major. The first 5 bars are A flat major and the last 3 bars are C major. Let me explain. F minor is the 6th chord of A flat, B flat minor is the 2 chord of A flat, E flat 7 is the 5 chord of A flat, A flat is the 1 chord of A flat, D flat major 7 is the 4 chord, and now what's called the modulation, we go into the key of C. G7 is the 5 chord in C, and C of course is the 1. So again, 5 bars in the key of A flat, 3 bars in the key of C. It's a little tricky at first. In this demonstration that I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to demonstrate a couple different ways to think about playing in these key centers. The first way is just in one position. This is the key of A flat and then C. You can choose any position, it doesn't matter what position you're in. The next way to start thinking about it is to kind of go up and down the neck. So in A flat, I'm going to kind of cruise. And I'm going to go down in C. And the third way is kind of easy, and it's a great way for beginners to start getting to understand this, is to just play on one string at a time. So on the high E string, I'm going to play the key of A flat. And the key of C. Obviously, you can do this on any string, so I'm going to choose like the G string. And the key of C. And of course, the point in jazz is when you move from key to make it a very smooth transition. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate. On all these three, the in position, the up and down the neck, and on one string at a time, I'm going to smoothly transit from A flat to C, back to A flat, and to C, and so forth. So here it goes. Again, as you can see, there's like an infinite amount of things you can do just with this concept, major scales. There's always new things to discover and figure out and work out, and it takes many years, and I still thoroughly enjoy practicing and playing this way. So I hope you've had fun in this first segment of my video. My name is Jeff Richmond, and hope to see you at MI real soon.